started. How I style my hair. So washing my hair, I use the 3 products that I use to wash my hair, and as soon as I'm out, I'll show you guys what I use to style it. So stay tuned. I just came out the shower and I'm ready to start my hair tutorial. So the products I use are Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Kids Butter. I like the Kids one because it's lighter on my hair and it doesn't weigh it down, so it doesn't feel like too much product is on my hair. And then I go with this mousse, Sky High Volume from Garnier Fructis. And it's my favorite because it kind of lifts the roots, so it makes it look a little bigger, and I like my hair to look really big. After I'm done blow drying, I apply a little bit of this oil. It's the Miracle Curls Defining Curl Oil, and it works amazing, along with the Curl Renew Spray. Okay, let's get started. So first, you go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail, like this. Just kidding. I'm going to start off with the curling cream. Just need about that much. Basically run it through the hair. You want to make sure you get it everywhere, so just run it through the hair. Then I will apply some mousse. And for this one, I like flipping my hair because it just works better that way. So that's it. I'm done. Aside, I don't like wearing my hair wet at all. I'm going to go in with my gel blow dryer. It comes with an extra one. This, I'm not sure what it's for, but here's the one I need. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, so basically when you blow dry your hair, you let the hair fall here, and then it dries it without destroying the curl pattern. So I'm gonna show you guys. So you get your blow dryer and you attach this part to the blow dryer, plug it up. So basically how to do it. It's about 50% dry right now. So we'll go in and just finish it, and I'll be back with my hair looking like I don't know who. Now it's about 70% dry, so when it's at 70% dry, I go in with my Miracle Curl Oil and distribute this all over my hair. Now more blow drying. So this is like 100% dry. I will spray it with some of the curl milk activator because it smells so amazing. So much for watching. This was really fun to show you guys how I style my hair and what products I use. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.